this wonderful summit to discuss a very important subject which relates to suffering humanity more so and global community generally. Last year we had the most devastating floods as a result of climate change in Pakistan, which almost completely changed our lifestyle. 33 million people were affected. Millions of acres of standing crop was washed away. Mercifully, it could have been a huge number, but because of very proactive actions by all stakeholders, 1,700 people died, including children, and 500,000 animals were drowned. 2 million houses were either completely demolished or partially damaged. Now, we had to cough out hundreds of millions of dollars from our own pocket with our scarce resources and provide paltry sum of money to these flood affectees all over the country. Of course, we are very grateful to our friendly countries across the globe for their valuable and timely contribution. But largely, the cash amounts had to be generated from our own resources. And when we approached international institutions, they said, well, we can give you loans and take loans and have, I said, should we have further burden on our already hugely burdened, our stretched resources? And the answer was that if you go for debt restructuring or something else, that will not be good for the country. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we know that there are tensions around the globe and billions of dollars are being spent over there to defend those countries. That's fine. I mean, I have no problem with that at all. But when it comes to the question of saving suffering humanity, I can tell you, my friend, very dear friend, Secretary General of the United Nations was with me, and I took him to the hinterland of Pakistan where floods had absolutely drowned cities after cities. And in those camps, thousands of women were giving birth to children day in and day out. And far-flung areas where you had to provide medicine, food, water. And for months, we had to have makeshift education programs over there. What I'm saying is, this is not fair. That on one hand, you are ready to provide everything for defense of a country or countries. That is perfectly okay. But when it comes to the question of saving thousands and thousands of people from dying, then you have to borrow money at a very high cost.
पेरिस में वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ न्यू ग्लोबल फाइनेंसिंग पैक्ट समिट से खिताब कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने कहा, समिट के बेहतरीन इनेकाद पर फ्रांसीसी सदर को खराज तहसीन पेश करता हूँ। वज़ीर आज़म ने कहा, मौसमियाती तब्दीली के बायस गुज़िश्ता साल तबाह कुन सैलाब का सामना करना पड़ा। 33 लाख अफराद घरों से महरूम हुए और हज़ारों एकड़ फसल तबाह हो गई।